finally the snow is gone and it's starting to be green here in Sweden. I'm working on the plug for US55, and I want to say a special thanks to a very nice gentleman in the US that has access to the boat where it sits waiting restoration, and he has sent and shared a lot of pictures on especially the bustle area that I didn't have correct on the model. This station here is according to the drawing, and here the back end of the keel, but I had the bustle area totally wrong. So all of this is built up with Bondo. You can see different types of Bondo. This is both Biltema now, since Hagmans unfortunately decided not to support me anymore, but I find these products very good as well, so I'm quite happy to use the Biltema products. I'm not sponsored, I pay for them. No, that's not good. So as you can see, it goes the bustle form comes really quick. So from this shape into the bustle shape is very fast, and then the characteristic flat stern, and you can see the bow as well. It's back in the day I wasn't too fond of this boat, but the more I work on it, the more I think it's a really cool design, and very different 12-meter design. So it's going to be really fun to sail this boat. I've taken a little bit of a break from Australia too. I've done a lot of sailing. The mini rival had a regatta last weekend and managed actually to win that one, even though it was a little bit too much wind for number 33. So I was quite excited about that. And then I've spent a lot of hours trying to get this bustle area right. So I will send pictures now to my contact in the US, and if he approves, then we will go ahead with finishing this up, removing small imperfections like this, and then get it sanded up to 400 grit, and then I will put the 2K primer on it. So I keep working on the bustle area. I had added filler here, but it made a hump, so tonight I have sanded that and blended it in with the rest of the hull. So I think that it looks better. It still might need some more sanding, but take it in steps. So it's the next day or the next day, and I will hopefully finish the bustle area tonight, and also block sand these lines so they are the way they are supposed to be, nice and straight, and then sand till 400 grit tonight. US55 stars and stripes.
tag i den.
Nej?
Jag vet inte om jag fick.
I have designed this self-tacking jib track, and it has 3 ball bearings, and plus you see the orange block there. That's also got a ball bearing, so it's got 4 ball bearings, and I 3D print these, and we use them on the mini rivals. So you can see it installed here on my number 433 Sting, and work on Australia 2 will soon commence, or I will continue on it soon. I've taken a little bit of a break on it from it. I got help from Jim with pictures on US55, and I got really excited. He actually called me last week, and so we could discuss and have a video call. It was really cool. And you can see here I have 2 sheet systems ready to go in the mini rivals, and these are all, it's 3D print. It's a carbon fiber rod. I tried to show this in a previous video, and I hope everyone understood how it works. I want to thank everyone for subscribing, and we're past 1,000 subscribers, which I feel is unbelievably good. What I tried to show with today's video was how much work it is on these plugs. It's a tremendous, even if you 3D print the basic shape, if you want to get it close to right, even if you get hold of a real drawing like I did, that I am not sharing. I get that question a lot, but I'm sorry, but I have yacht designers like John Swarbrick and Jim share, and other people share drawings with me, and I'm really grateful that they do, and I never reshare anything. My way of sharing with you is to produce these videos, and hopefully you enjoy that. But I'm not in this to make money. I I do it because I love the hobby, and yeah, that's it. So I'm not sharing STL files. Even if I shared the STL file for the US55, I discovered major discrepancies on the bustle area, and I've spent basically a good 2 weeks free time fixing it and getting it to look like the real boat. So yeah, it's not always just a print and sail. It's a lot of work. So thank you very much for subscribing. Please hit the thumbs up if you don't mind. It helps me. And thank you to NM Epoxy to coming on board as a supporter to the channel. I lost Hagmans, which was a pity, but they got a new marketing manager that wanted to do other stuff, so I totally respect that. I still like their products, but now I'm more into using Biltema's products because I want to try them, and so far I'm very happy with them, so I might give them a call. Thank you very much, and until next time, see you soon. Bye.